Welcome again guys. In this video I will teach you how to use our elite Discord bot to manage your app from your Discord server. First go to our official website and make an account. Then go to Manage Apps tab and create an app with the name you want. After that click Continue button on the app you want. Now to complete this tutorial you must buy an elite plan and it is very affordable with the money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose, either you enjoy the elite experience or all your money back. For this tutorial I use the lifetime option. After purchasing you will receive the key and you can simply redeem it on your account. There you go, you are now ready to start the unique experience. Go to Moderators tab, which is exclusive for elite members. Invite the Discord bot to your Discord server. As you can see here, our Discord bot has a lot of unique features. The first thing you want to do is /server ID command to get your server ID, or right click on the server and click copy server ID, paste it here in your app settings. And now the Discord bot is synced to your Discord server. I will try this on my account. To add a new moderator, run /user ID command to get user ID, or simply right click on the user you want and click copy user ID. Now go back to Moderators tab and add the user ID with the name you want. And you are done. You can now do anything you want with this bot commands like generating a key, getting key data, or even deleting the key.